What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Sponsored Time Frame Forecast. We are going over Euro AUD. Before we get started, I want you guys to do one thing, and that is just like this idea. Not only does it support us, but it really does give us others the opportunity to see these videos as well. So do us and everyone else a favor, like this idea, share it if you can, comment down below, comment pairs you want us to cover, and comment your ideas on this particular pair as well. So that being said, we get straight into this. So we already did a markup on this pair, I believe 2, maybe 3 weeks ago. So we're going to build off of it, just giving a quick update of where we're at currently. So we had said that this was going to be an entry zone for us, which was just the structure and daily time frame, and that we were not only respecting it, but we were looking at it being an opportunity for us to enter on. So we had a major area of structure here from the past, and we didn't make it all the way to the 100%. I believe this is closer to the 80. Nope, it is not. So that's fine. Not every time structure lines up, it doesn't always need to be with the fibs. That's totally okay. So hold on real quick. I want to give you check something out for this TP as well. So like I said, it doesn't always need to be with the fibs. What we're looking more, or what we're looking at more, which is more important, is the structure. Structure is always going to be more important than everything else. So structure and patterns are gonna trump everything else. That's what we want to remind you guys with this. But that being said, we can go into an update on this particular pair, see what we're looking at on the daily time frame. We don't really see any interesting patterns forming at the moment. Um, now, So no interesting patterns. However, we do see that we are respecting structure here. We have this double bottom at the moment, which is a good indicator. And then not only that, we also are a little bit trading a little bit higher than the previous close on that double bottom. Let's go to the 4 hour real quick. And once again, nothing too interesting here as far as a pattern. We do have an impulse, quote unquote, impulse pattern to the upside, breaking this area of structure here. So we broke this area of structure, and so that's a good indicator. And like I said, we were trading above this structure right here. So let's throw on our handy dandy script that we created for you guys, and we can see that we're starting to slowly exhaust the market at the moment, and that's a good sign for us as we're getting ready for a reversal. And what we're wanting to see is some crossovers on the EMAs so that we can be in a contextually bullish environment. Once that occurs, we can execute safely. Until then, we are just waiting patiently. However, we should be seeing something occur within the next couple of hours or within the next day or two. So we could be seeing execution occurring on this particular pair relatively soon. And remember, we have two TPs. This one is going to be a 1 to 2.3, which is decent. And then with this particular pair, because we are in a bullish trend line, so we're ascending trend, it's likely for us to experience more of a push upward as well. So it's better for you to dynamically move your stop loss and dynamically move your take profit so that you can scrape away as many pips as possible. If you don't have the time or you don't necessarily know how, just use trailing stops as well. Anyways, guys, this is Euro AD. Quick update. We're getting ready to actually make a purchase on this particular pair. We're just being patient on our entries and making sure our conditions are validated prior to entering, just so that we can be a little bit safer. Remember, last week did pretty well, 350. The week prior, 400 pips, and the last month cumulatively was 5,000 pips. So if you're interested in learning how to learn to read charts a little bit better like this, and or use, if you're on a time constraint, our services so that you can scrape away the same number of pips as well, or while you're learning, if you're not necessarily time constrained but you want to make money as well, feel free to message us. We'll be more than happy to assist you as well. So this is your AED. Do not forget to like this idea, share it if you can, comment your idea on this particular pair, and also comment pairs you want us to cover in future videos. That being said, this is Zero AD, guys. Hope you guys making some money, staying safe in the markets. I'll see you guys in the next video.